In this video, you'll get an overview of the steps you need to take to set up the React Native development environment. In this Setting Up the Development Environment page of the React Native website, which you can find a link for in the additional resources, you'll find two options: Expo Go Quick Start and React Native CLI Quick Start. If you're a beginner to mobile development, the easiest way to get started is with Expo Go. If you're already familiar with mobile development, then React Native CLI may be the better choice. Keep in mind that to be successful in this course, you do not need all of the packages that come along with the React Native CLI installation. The Expo Go installation will have everything that you need. Let's compare the two approaches. To get started with Expo Go, all you need is to have Node installed and an IDE such as VS Code. In the terminal of your IDE, you can then run the command shown on the page. It is a quick process that will take around 5 minutes. With React Native CLI, there are several approaches you can take. The installation page asks you to indicate your development OS, so make sure to choose Mac OS, Windows, or Linux based on the machine you have. You'll then also have to choose your target OS, which can be Android or iOS. The option you select will give you a different set of instructions. If you're a cross-platform developer, you can follow the steps for installing both. Note that iOS will only work if you are developing on Mac OS. So if you have Mac, you can set up both the Android and iOS options. But if you have a Windows machine, then you should set up Android only. Once you pick your development OS and then Android, you'll be provided with a list of dependencies that you need to set up, along with steps for installing Android Studio. If you pick iOS, then you'll be directed toward a different set of dependencies, and also advised to install Xcode. Whichever you choose, you can expect the process to take about an hour before you're ready to get up and running with React Native. In this video, you learned how to choose the most suitable development environment setup options for your needs, the key steps in the installation process, and the things you need to prepare before getting started. You're now ready to dive into the world of React Native development.